Yeah, me too. Ooh!
Well, everyone.
Oh, you bought all kinds.
Everyone.
Oh, yay!
Everyone.
Banana party.
We all in here in Bosnia and like Balkan, we all really like these. We have different kinds.
Flavor.
This marshmallow and covered with the chocolate.
Yeah. Banana flavored marshmallow.
Čekajte. Whoa! Whoa!
3 years later.
Tup tup. Tup tup.
Enough.
Aida, eat. 먹어보세요. 아이다. 아.
Ah.
The marshmallow covered with chocolate. It's stronger.
The sample.
What?
Using the same knife for all.
I like this. I just don't like. Well, this is the best. Croatia is really famous.
This one doesn't have much banana flavor. Yeah, I like that.
It's more like juicy, like fruity.
Yeah.
다 똑같아요.
똑같아요.
보스니아 초코파이.
Doesn't have so Wow.
귀여워.
So cute. I want this one.
Wow, this is cute.
Oh.
But it's very light. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Zivio. There is a cookie below of the snack.
아이다. Why do you have the sewage in your legs? 딱 걸렸어.
It's for washing out.
Where?
taste.
I don't know.
I am fat.
I'm sitting here like I can smell something. Let's drink something a little bit. I prepared this glass especially for him. Do you know why? I think
He's a lion.
Yeah.
이거는 형 엄청 많이 맥주를 좋아해가지고 I brought you this glass.
It's a fancy glass.
이거는 그냥 빨대고, but it has chocolate inside it, so you can make chocolate milk.
Yay.
Let go. Cool. It doesn't matter. Doesn't
yes,
matter.
that's better. There is strawberry flavor also.
Yeah. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla.
I think I'm gonna be sick from all the different foods and stuff that we ate today.
What if there is leftover like this?
You use more milk.
It's called Mikado. Mikado Rija.
Yeah.
Excited? No. Show them, show them.
Just kidding. It's plastic.
You're not fun. 제가 이거 별로 안 좋아하니까.
Oh, you try.
Eat.
I really like the chocolate, but I don't.
You like
Yeah,
rice,
right.
Amele. You like chocolate. You should like chocolate rice.
Good boy.
Yes. It makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
I like cola. I like ramen. I don't make ramen with cola. I make it with water.
But those two don't mix.
These are also.
These do mix. Perfect combination. So light, so fluffy.
Euro. What is it?
Euro waffle.
한국에도 이 과자 있잖아. 똑같은 거. 웨하스.
아이다도 먹어.
This is layered snack. It's so crispy. The next one.
My mom really loves these. And it has rum in it.
Cut it. I feel alcohol.
Rum.
Yeah, real alcohol. Wow, it's so strong.
And they sell this to kids.
My mom really loves this.
Really? The kids can buy it.
People actually use that as an excuse
Yeah.
if they are caught driving.
By police.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Under influence, driving under influence, and they say,
운전.
they just say, "Oh, I ate too many rumplotste."
개 뿔 뜯어 먹는 소리 하고 있니?
Yeah, same.
네.
Less.
몰라.
The black one is more stronger.
Yeah.
Stronger than
I
another sweet.
I need something salty to wash this taste off.
So what is baklava?
Traditional cake. It's layered like thin dough, and then walnut, thin dough, walnut one,
Yeah.
and then you bake it. It's all category water.
아 진짜 많이 먹었는데.
So fat.
아.
거기 너무 달아요.
All of it.
Take all, Amelie.
안 좋아해요.
This is also really.
Yeah. Too sweet.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
맛있어요.
Ah.
The next one is my favorite. This is the candy. I really love this candy. You guys are honored to eat brunch.
Actually, Amel sent the brownie to Korea, and I shared it to my coworkers, ex-coworkers. Nobody liked it.
Oh, I really love it.
Yeah.
This is caramel,
Mm-hmm.
mint
There's
caramel.
plant in Croatia that, like, when you lick it, has exactly the same taste as this. I really love it.
I saw so many videos.
Made
People
so well.
try the brownie,
Mm-hmm.
and they squeeze their face. They threw it up.
Oh, I don't understand it.
Well, even if you don't like it, I don't think it's that much. 그 정도는 아는 거야.
I love this.
I do not love this, so I can eat this. I'm still eating. Oh. 그렇지.
Such a great guy. He has the largest mouth.
So that's powder. So just a little bit, right? 반죽 됐어, 반죽.
Cookie.
Sound boy.
It's baby food.
Yeah, that texture. So much.
맛있는데요?
Maybe mom's touch.
Baby food. Maybe mother chewed it.
This is good. This is good. So the last one. 이게 뭐야?
Juice. Orange juice. Orange and lemon. And this is just orange.
초등학생이었을 때 되게 많이 마셨어요.
Yeah, it was the most popular brand.
So one day, one
누워있지?
Voini.
보이니치.
I think this is Slovenian.
Yeah, it is.
핵 소주가 아닙니다. tropical. A little bit flavor. Do you need some more? Do you need some?
형 다 먹어요.
이거는?
그것도 형 다
이거
먹어요.
내가 먹어야 돼? I ate sarma, 2 bunch of salad.
이다 어머니 진짜 맛있는 라면 만들어주셨어요. 진짜 맛있었어요.
What did she cook? Saram?
사람. 이 아씨 사람.
When you said that,
너무 무서워.
you said she cooked a person. He said saram instead of sarma.
sarma.
Oh.
네, 오렌지 주스입니다. 여기까지. 와, 분쌈.
잘 먹었습니다. 영상 찍으니까 어때요?
So actually the video, the many people tried the Bosnian, Croatian or Serbian food without any local friends. But I'm here with the local friends.
We had to guide you. You know, you're not eating properly. For example, Jaffa cake. You know, you didn't know you have to scrape off the
Nobody
chocolates.
does it like that.
Yes, they do. There's a
Nobody
lot
does it
of.
like that. 정확히 봐주셨어요, 누님?
There's internet. People will tell how they eat.
They will leave a comment.
Yeah. Please tell us the way you eat Jaffa cake.
So I ate the whole snacks as local does.
Yeah.
진짜 배불러서 너무 힘들어. 너무 힘들어.
In next episode.
구독과 좋아요 눌러주세요. 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 사랑의 배터리 나를 사랑으로 채워줘요.
Help him.
사랑의 배터리가 다 됐나봐요.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
당신 없이 못 살아 정말 나는 못 살아 당신은 나의
No, it's late. It's
배터리.
late.
I know how to check
Yes, you know that.